Hey there, my name is David Bradley, Sales and Marketing Manager with Grant Cardone. I wanted to take a moment to show you a very powerful tool inside Cardone On Demand. This is a one-on-one coach tool. We've got a lot of clients that they're looking at the program and they're like, man, there's so much stuff in here. Well, what do I have my people work on, right? And it's probably safe to say, let's say you got 15 sales guys. If you sit all 15 down and say, hey man, what are you working on right now? Or if they even talk to you about it, first of all, and you know, what are some things that you'd like to get better at, right? Pretty good chance if you have 15 guys, you'll probably get 15, sometimes 30 different answers. Wouldn't you agree? So is there a tool inside Cardone On Demand that you could use to really stimulate the conversation, give these guys a menu to really pick their problem, and then they're consequently assign homework. Give them something to work on between now and your next one-on-one meeting. Check this out. Okay, so here we are. This is the main menu for Cardone On Demand. And so I'm a manager. I work at a car dealership. I'm going to have a one-on-one sales meeting with my sales guy, and I'm going to pop up into the training center. And this menu is going to load up. There's one for managers, one for sales, phones, BDC, finance, service advisor training, new hire, customer care. But for the sake of this meeting, as a manager, I'm going to pop into this program called Pick Your Problem. And then we're going to get a list of all the different problems that a sales guy struggles with. Is it the meet and greet? Is it he needs help picking the right car, or handling the trade issues, or getting people written up, or incoming calls, or whatever his challenge is? And I'm going to ask him straight up. Ideally, you want to be doing these one-on-one coach meetings with your guys at least once a week. So I'm going to sit down with my sales guy and I'm going to say, let's say the guy's name's Jim. Jim, what's one thing you need to get better at this week that if you did, you'd sell an extra 5 cars? And I'm just going to let him pick, right? And just like when we close a real deal, we don't say anything. We just shut up, wait for him to pick. Let Jim pick. Jim will scroll through. He's going to find something. He's going to be like, well, man, it's slow, boss. There's nothing. Nobody's coming in. Maybe I should do some prospecting. So we're going to pop into prospecting with Jim. We're going to go into prospecting strategies. Here's Jim's homework. So for the next week, Jim's going to go through some prospecting basics. He's going to do tips. And I might even say, Jim, hey, tell you what, go through the segments here on creating lists for who you can prospect to. I want you to make me a list. Give me a list of 50 people off of one of these ideas here. And then we'll look at using how to make the call. So you find that you make a list, you got 50 people, you don't know what to say. When the guy picks up the phone, this will show you exactly what to do. So we're going to arm Jim so that he can start generating his own traffic, and that's not going to be a concern for him anymore. His new problem is going to be, man, I get customers coming in, right? Now what? I got to close the deal. So maybe he's got people coming in, and now Jim needs to work on how to present product or land people on the right car, or how to close the deal, or whatever it may be. But we've certainly solved his prospecting issue because now he's got his own traffic coming in. Hopefully that makes sense for you. And that's just one tool inside the Management Training Center in Cardone On Demand. If you'd like to look at that a little bit deeper, if you have a question about if you're using this program now and have not experienced Pick Your Problem with a sales guy, give it a shot. If I can help, call me up, 310-777-0352. If you're not on this program but would like a free tour, some free access, give me a call. I'm happy to not only get you inside the program, I'll go over all the different cost options with you. I'll show you what a day in the life of the program looks like, and I'll show you how our 3,500 existing clients have used this program to pick up another 15 to 30% in the first 90 days. My name's David Bradley. 310-777-0352 is my direct number. You can also call my mobile, 818-427-5188, or hey, shoot an email out, david@grantcardone.com. Happy to help any way I can. Be great, because nothing else pays.